Alright, well, we're going to do a little something we haven't done in a while. Take a little radiation test. I think it's been probably, at least a year and a half or more. This is just the regular background, what it typically is at. And I recently got a new furnace. It has the original filter in it. I think it was put in probably 6-8 weeks ago, so that's how old the filter is. So, we're going to go see where she's at. And I had a local friend of mine explain that part of what that monitor could be reading might be radon. That, I guess, is common in these here parts. So, I actually took this out earlier. I just went to clean it, and then I was like, oh, maybe I should test it. I took it out earlier, and then I put it back, and I kind of let it drop a little bit when I put it back in, so hopefully I didn't kick out too much. I mean, if there's something in there. But, I'll do a little tester here. And gently put her down. Haven't even put it close to it yet, but it seems to be kicking up with being almost a foot away from it. I'm literally like almost a foot away or more. And wonder what happens when we put it really close. What do you suppose is going to happen? Always fun, huh? Jesus. This is the first test, actually. I didn't... my previous ones, I kind of tested it beforehand just to see if it was worth filming, but I just went ahead and did it this time. Wow. That's almost yeah. That's definitely a new record. Holy shit. 706. Yeah, I think 600 something was the previous record. This definitely surpasses that. Yeah. Not sure what to think of that. I'm assuming it is just radon. Is that somehow better? I don't know. I'm no radiological expert by any stretch. I'm just a guy with a Rad Alert Inspector who put 2 and 2 together and decided to pick up this device just for the hell of it, do some independent testing. Unfortunately, it doesn't specify what particles are in there specifically, but it just lets you know that she's hot. That's a hot one. I'm going to try moving her around here a little bit. Like I said, I want to say this was put in, I mean, it's probably been a couple months. I can find out specifically when it went in, but 6-8 weeks, maybe 9 weeks roughly. I think these filters you're supposed to change every 2-3 months, so I mean, it's due. The thermostat that I got lets you know when it needs replacing, and it's been telling me for a little bit that it needs it. the guy at the hardware store said this is just kind of a cheap filter, like it's not even... They've got, obviously, the more expensive ones do a better job of filtering out more. So, I got a more expensive one earlier tonight at the hardware store. That's kind of up there. I've never seen 777 before. 783, these are all new records. 807, wow. That was an all-time high right there. So, yeah, I don't know. A little bit concerning. I don't know, I haven't really thought about the whole radiation thing for a bit. There's not much you can do about it. I just thought of it because I was going to change the filter. Holy fuck. Pardon my French. I've never seen readings this high with this Geiger counter. Wow, 900. Let's hope it's just some, you know, not harmful radiation or something. Perhaps I will take my friend Chris up on his offer. Mr. Busby, I think his last name is. Haven't been in contact with him for a while, but the last time I did a furnace filter radiation test with readings far lower than this, he said to send him the filter so he could actually determine what I guess he's got a device that determines what particles in particular are to be found in here, which would be good to know. So, if that offer still stands, I may see about taking him up on that. Record-breaking readings for this particular Geiger counter, at least since I've had it for a few years now. Alright, well, I think that's all we needed to see here tonight. I won't take up any more of your time. We'll have to see what the next filter reads, you know, after a couple months of having it filter, considering it's supposed to do a better job than this one is. There you have it, folks. Stay healthy.